I'm Debbie Hamilton from Orem, Utah, and I am a firm believer in ASEA. I've been on ASEA for 6 months. I had a very serious hereditary heart condition and recently repeated an echo stress test that pretty much blew my doctor away. After the test, we were going over the results, and he said, "You no longer need to be afraid of your heart. I see regenerated heart tissue. Your heart is good. Are you hearing me? Your heart is well." I've been cleared for scuba diving. I told him it was the ASEA, and he said, "Do you believe everything somebody tells you?" His face got red, and I said, "No, but I do believe the results of the test that you just ran on me, and I would recommend ASEA to anyone."
Hi, my name is Cheryl Brown. I, with my husband, own Deseret Counseling Center. About 15 years ago, I had a severe horse accident that left me with permanent disabilities. I was unable to be without pain at all. I was in pain 24/7. After starting on ASEA, after about 2 weeks, my pain was minimal and I was almost pain-free. Currently today, after a couple of months, I am pain-free. I will never be without ASEA again.
This is Dr. Sweeney. I'm a retired thoracic cardiovascular surgeon. Was introduced to ASEA because of my wife's experience with it and her relief from her problems with gluten allergy. And she had received so much relief that I was having a lot of leg pain, and the neurologist not making a diagnosis, and I was taking ASEA, but I ran out of ASEA, and its profound improvement in other problems that I was unaware of. It made me feel more energetic. I had a spring to my walk. I wanted to get out and walk frequently. So at this time, I couldn't be without it. And I am improving. The neurologist is amazed at my improvement when he sees me.
Hi, I'm Colleen Murray from Orlando, Florida, and I was fortunate enough to be sent this product at a very difficult time in my life, and took the product and noticed a major change in a health issue that I had had for over 15 years. I had a horrific cough that would not stop. I had many people trying to help me with that cough, and I refused to take the different medications that I knew would cause problem side effects. So after a couple weeks of taking this product, I realized I had no cough whatsoever. I couldn't even have a conversation like this without hacking or having a lozenge in. So it has changed my life immensely.
Hi, my name is Cindy Sessions, and I have vertigo. I've had vertigo from a disease that I have in my inner ear. And they don't know how you get it, they don't know how to get rid of it. There's no cure. So I thought I'd have to live with this the rest of my life. I have had 4 to 5 episodes a week, and they last about 6 to 7 hours. And you're throwing up most of that time, and it is life-changing. After I got on ASEA, I have no twinges. I don't even feel like I have vertigo. I have not had vertigo now for about 2.5 months. That's how long I've been on ASEA. And my life is back. So I will never go off ASEA. And so it's worked great for me.
Hi, I'm Becky Taylor. I live in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Our family started on ASEA in June of 2010, and we've had amazing results with everybody in our family. One of those results has been a daughter who has seizures, and she has not had a seizure in almost a year. I have had improvements in my vision. I was wearing a plus 850 lens that had to be special ordered in my right eye, and after 3 months on the product, that prescription went to a plus 550. It dropped 3 diopters. We have not had the sickness, flu season, colds that we usually have every winter with all of our kids. It has been a great year.
Hi, I'm Carol Larson from Mesa, Arizona. ASEA is the greatest thing that's happened for me. using it as a spray on my face and my eyes. I no longer have the floaters, which is an exciting thing. And I have the energy to walk 6 mornings a week for 3.5 miles. And I'm 66 years old, and I'm doing great, and I love ASEA, and it's the best thing that's ever happened.
Hi, my name is Dan Reinhold. About a year ago, I was diagnosed with a problem that was so debilitating that it left me in a hospital bed, unable to walk without the aid of crutches. I was introduced to the ASEA product a short time later and decided I'd give it a try. I was a little bit skeptical at the time, but I tried it, and within just a short period of time, I was out of the hospital bed, I was off my crutches, and I was actually walking without a cane. And to this day, a year later, I am vibrant, and I have an active life, and I'm feeling great, thanks to the ASEA product.
Well, since I started taking ASEA in February of 2010, I no longer have headaches. I used to take quite a bit of headache medication. And after 6 months of taking ASEA, I started losing weight. And so in the past 8 months, I have lost about 5 inches from my waist and 40 pounds.
Hi, my name's Lynn Moore. A friend told me about ASEA and insisted I try it. I didn't expect anything, didn't expect to feel anything, but within 10 days, a prostate issue I'd had that had gotten progressively worse over the last 20 years had all but remedied itself. Also, a skin condition on my nose that was hereditary had gone away. The skin was normal and soft again. I couldn't believe it. I started sleeping better. My energy went up. It was months after I had committed to taking ASEA forever that I realized an old sports injury, a torn muscle, it was torn from my shoulder clear to my elbow, hadn't repaired in 17 years, couldn't sleep on that side. I woke up one morning and realized it's gone. I don't know when it happened, but it no longer hurt. It no longer irritated every time I moved, and I could sleep on my left side. This stuff is amazing. You have to try ASEA.
Hi, my name's Ellen, and I've been on ASEA for about a year, and I've noticed a lot of increase in energy and stamina. I can work longer. I'm a dental hygienist and on my feet a lot and on the go, and I feel like I'm young again. I've had a chronic neck problem for many years, and just the other day I was noticing that it just feels almost as good as new. I take ASEA every day, and I plan on keeping on doing that.
Okay, I am Yvonne Pollock. I'm 84 years old. I've had high blood pressure my whole life. And after I got onto ASEA, it has come down. Even my doctor said, the numbers. I said, whoa, what happened? And then also I have diabetes, and my first week after I took it, my numbers went down really nice.
How you doing? My name's Paul. I've been on ASEA for a little while now, and I love it. Memorial weekend, I thought I was out swimming with the kids and with some friends, and I got all sunburned. And I was okay because I knew I had ASEA at home, so I sprayed it constantly for the next 3-4 days. No pain. Look at my tan, and didn't peel at all. So it works great on burns. It's awesome. Great product. I love it.
Hi, I'm Rick Taylor from Hendersonville, Tennessee. I started on ASEA June 28, 2010. We've had remarkable results in my family. In addition to all my family members enjoying incredible benefits, my blood pressure before I started on ASEA was 206/98. After 3 weeks on ASEA, it was 117/72, and I've maintained that. I lost about 30 pounds on the product, and my chronic back pain for 30 years is gone. I'm not getting up 3 times a night to use the bathroom anymore. We love ASEA.
My name is Arlene Torrado, and I'm from Orlando, Florida. A few months ago, I came to see my good friend Colleen. I wasn't feeling good at all. My left side was very numb, I can tell you.
Arlene has a condition that caused her arm to be very curled up and contorted, and the whole right side of her body was terribly affected. And at that time, she shared with me it was starting to move to her left side. I shared with her ASEA because I was just hoping that it may have some kind of benefit for her. And since then,
it's been wonderful. The same month I started taking, I've been sleeping like a baby. I have so much energy. My hand, I'm able to hold things. I'm able to walk better, and the clarity of mind is wonderful. And I thank you so much.
And she went from a wheelchair to dancing with her son with one cane on Cinco de Mayo.
Okay, hi, my name's Claire from Mesa, Arizona. The very first night that I went to an ASEA meeting was November 20th, 2010, and I felt the telltale tingle of a cold sore starting, which I have been plagued with since I was 14 years old. I'm 63 now. And I sprayed ASEA on my face that night, again before I went to bed, and the next morning when I woke up. All winter long, I never had a cold sore.
Hi, I'm Debbie Reeder from Naples, Florida, and I'm a stay-at-home mom and have been for a number of years. You know, prior to being introduced to ASEA, I'd been diagnosed with a health issue that caused swelling in my neck. I couldn't swallow. I slept all the time, gained a lot of weight. A lot of people experience this particular problem. Was introduced to ASEA 6 days after drinking just 2 ounces in the morning and 2 ounces in the afternoon. All my symptoms were gone. Had my energy back, no more swelling, and I could swallow. So you can imagine I told everybody that I knew that they had to drink ASEA, and you should too.
Hi, my name's Carrie Adams. I'm from Mesa, Arizona. I've been in accounting and office management for many years. I had a serious problem hit me about 15 years ago. In that time, I had serious headaches. I was debilitated, bedbound. In fact, I was confined to a wheelchair at one point. Since taking ASEA, I have been able to recover completely. I'm able now to do a lot of walking that I wasn't able to do. Before I met ASEA, I was able to go maybe to the mailbox about 200 yards. I would have to wait there at the mailbox, walk home, lay down maybe for a half hour, 45 minutes to get back up and try to work around the house a little bit. Now I'm able to go around the block 6 times, and we're talking 0.4 miles around the block. I'm doing 2 to 3 miles walking. I'm much more alert, attentive, able to do things that I haven't done for years. Thank you, ASEA.